Hi guys, welcome to my very first YouTube video. I always wanted to say that. But anyways, my name is Alicia. I go by Leash. I am 25 years old and I am a truck driver. So right now we're just doing our pre-trip inspection. I'm checking the oil now. Y'all listen to my baby. Okay, now that we finished our pre-trip inspection, we're headed downtown to work on the highway, and we're working on the demolition. God damn. We're working on the demolition team today. So that means we're going to be taking trash out of the infield to the dump.
Good morning to all the ladies and good morning to all the gentlemen. Ain't that many gentlemen out here though. Good morning, y'all.
So this is what we call the infield. We're going to be getting trash from the trash pile today and taking it to the dump. Every time I get back here, it's a shit show. Look at this, trucks everywhere. I don't know. Something about clutter and being unorganized gives me really bad anxiety. So I got an attitude and cut everybody. Y'all, look at all them damn trucks I cut. But anyways, now that we're loaded, we're going to go ahead and head to the dump, which is about 45 minutes away. Y'all, there go my best friend. Y'all see him flashing his lights at me? He see me every day and give me chocolate. I don't even like chocolate. I work with a bunch of old men, so I be feeling bad when I don't take the stuff that they give me because they be looking sad as hell. Okay, so we finally made it to the dump, which I said was like 45 minutes away. So it's light outside now. Bear with my editing skills. I'm gonna get better at this. But that down there in the corner is me actually dumping. So this is our second load. I can't really show you me getting loaded, so the best I can do is show you other people getting loaded because technically they don't want us getting out of the truck. It's a safety hazard. And for lunch, we went to Popeyes. Hey y'all, I got the goods. But we got chicken. Why did I got a bullet hole in it? Anyways, I just got here trying to be cute. Anyways, gonna sit here and eat my food because I'm not in a fucking rush. But yeah, it is now like 12:25. The day is not over yet and I'm pissed because hurry up and end. So I got my Popeyes. I just got cussed out by my dad because apparently he just bought a new truck and he wants me to move it, but I have my phone on Do Not Disturb because left me a voicemail talking about.
Hey, could you possibly be doing what can't nobody get in touch with your ass?
Driving. I need to focus on the road. You shouldn't be calling me while I'm driving any goddamn ways. You see this? This is Mr. Street, baby. I got I hate eating in front of people. So I'ma eat. But this part might not make it to the vlog. Yeah, I can't do it. I just got done eating, as y'all saw. Or maybe not. I might have, you feel me? But the shit stinks. I always keep my napkins. You never know when you might need it. But
Coming up on Lewis Street. One coming up on Lewis Street.
time to throw this shit away. Shit was good though. And also, I'm not throwing shit on the floor. There's a trash can in here, and I put a little bag in it every day because you can't really throw shit out the window. That's trifling as fuck. If you pollute, you nasty in a bitch. Hey girl, hey. I'm so fake. Anyways, it's easier to have a trash can right there, so I can just reach back and throw the shit in the trash can on the floor. But yeah, baby belly. No, food belly. Whoa. No kids. Fuck them kids. Fuck y'all baby daddies, but that ain't got nothing to do with me. This is my work bag. It's 1:14. Today been a little crazy. This is my 4th load since 7 a.m. And my lips is dry. So I need to put on some lip glizzy. Interesting. How the hell I get up here? We're gonna try these today. I'm gonna do a taste test. Hopefully they're not trash. Hi. I'm gonna do that. And can I get 3 18s? Thank you. Secure bag. My work day has came to an end. I'm going back to the lot where I parked my truck. Usually, at the end of the day, I would go get fuel, diesel fuel, and death. But I am currently on a half a tank with both my death and my diesel. So I can make it through another work day with that. But I'm off tomorrow, so I'm not going. I'll try again the next day. I'll see y'all tomorrow. We're going to get our hair done. We're going to try to get our nails done because we got to get a passport. Well, we got to get our passport picture taken tomorrow, get our hair done, drop my car off to get routine maintenance, and I have to do a bunch of shit because I'm getting my pictures taken this weekend as well. I got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. You know I have to double it. Well, we are finally home from work. Ooh, look at my skin. I'm breaking out, y'all. But anyway, we are finally home from work, and today wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. This is my kitchen scissors. I did 5 loads between the hours of 7 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. 5 loads or 4? I don't fucking know. 4 or 5, which ain't bad. Each trip was like an hour round trip, so not bad at all. What else? Oh, we stopped at the gas station. And we got some chips and popcorn that I want to try because I never had any of the wrap snacks like ever. So I wanted to try these. These are the white cheddar Dab Ranch popcorn. Barbecuing with my honey. And same thing, but with heat and little baby. And it's probably gonna be nasty as fuck, but the Nicki Minaj shit. I didn't want to buy her whole whatchamacallit to do the sauce. And I didn't do my scratch offs yet, but these my favorite scratch offs. Don't go getting these. Speaking of going to get shit that I got. While I was riding down the street today in my pink truck, my custom pink truck, and somebody flew past me in a custom pink truck, just like mine. I don't know why, but I need to grow up because that pissed me off. But anyways, yeah. These are my favorite scratch offs. I'm gonna do these, and if I win, I'm gonna let y'all know. If I don't bring this up again, I didn't win shit. That's just how it be sometimes. I don't want to try these by myself, so I'm gonna make my brother. Give me a second. You look so happy to come try these chips with me.
Good.
Okay. So we got the barbecue.
Little baby wrap snacks.
Right.
Take it off of mute. FaceTime her so she can try it with us.
No. Her.
Your cousin. Then we got the Nicki Minaj sour cream ruffle chips. You had any of these before?
I ain't never had wrap snacks.
Me either. The barbecue with my honey with the Dab Ranch popcorn. Which one you gonna try first?
Little baby.
He said he wanna try Little Baby first. Who the fuck are these people? Who are these people? Please tell
Well,
me.
there's little baby in the middle.
Who in the middle? Okay. Anyway.
That's what's tricep.
Dang, you was supposed to wait for me. You already ate it. Fat ass. Okay. Is it nasty?
I can't taste anything.
Me either. It tastes like burnt. Do it again. You want to introduce yourself?
Nah, you do it.
Fix your fucking hair. This is my little brother Jamar. He just got a haircut today and he feeling himself. Show him your earring.
Figure it out. I just had it on when I went to go get my haircut.
So you specifically put it in to go get your haircut. Okay. It's not nasty. That was, it tastes. It's not hot either.
I don't think it's supposed to be.
Is it?
Clean with honey. With
Barbecuing with honey heat. Barbecuing with my honey heat. It's both slow. Okay, what you rate it?
like, out of what?
On a scale of 1 to 10.
I give it an 8.
I was thinking a fucking 6. Because it's not nasty, but it ain't.
But it got a little baby on top.
They will give it 2 extra points, so you're right. 8 out of 10. The extra 2 is because it's a little baby. Who don't like little baby? But the first 2 was a little burnt, like.
What is this?
Nicki
Oh,
Minaj.
they don't look like that.
Wanna try this one?
Let me open it.
Where's my phone? Bro, you just be doing shit. What
Bro,
that
this
do to
stink.
it? It stink? It does stink, but it's not like truffle.
Whatever that
You
is.
a trench baby. You don't know what that is. You ain't never had that. Damn. You? What you do?
I seen
Come on,
something.
cheers.
I like it. Very nice one. That shit.
Cheers. Come on.
I don't know that shit, man. I'm ready
Come on,
to
just
eat
eat
it.
it.
Let's try this one.
Fuck that. Do you like it?
Very good.
Rate it 1 out of 10.
I give it like a 4.
I like it. I would give it a 6, but that's just me. Alright, which one now? Talking about some, you don't know where my chip man. Boy, fuck you. I don't know where your hands been. You been sticking your hands in my bags of chips. Come on, bro. For you
Bro,
making
I'm
shit.
trying to figure out, like,
You want a chip or you want some popcorn? This
What is
motherfucker
that?
say dabbing is a lifestyle. Cause when it's popcorn and when it's the
and
chip.
this is with a dab ranch.
They both say it.
Uh,
This one is white cheddar.
which
It's
one?
barbecue.
Which one? Who is who? Like on the bag? You pick. I try. I really do.
This is the white cheddar with a dab of ranch popcorn. I don't know. I feel like this one might be a banger.
It tastes like that one popcorn stuff.
You want to be in a black bag? I be getting.
Now I do like a black and yellow bag. But it's like popcorn. What?
You gonna piss me off. Give me this damn bag. I like it.
They know it's done.
What you rated? 1 out of 10.
I'm done.
What you rated?
I ain't having it.
You know some other stuff.
I don't like popcorn, but
I love popcorn. And personally, I give that a 10 out of 10.
I
What you
give it
just
like,
got me?
I said I'd give it like a 9.
You fucking peon. Alright, guys, look at the last one. You want to do your little ceremony you do before you get your chip? Or
What ceremony? What ceremony?
yeah.
You wanna go wait?
I wish I would have did that.
They said it. Bro,
This shit nasty.
they all taste like something though.
They were supposed to taste like air.
That tastes like the white cheddar popcorn stuff. This tastes like barbecue,
This
Lay's.
shit nasty.
That
That
tastes,
Lay's be hitting.
I forgot what that tastes like though. And that was just nasty though.
This
And
one
this not even Nicki Minaj.
Who is it?
Bro, this girl is white.
Okay, anyway. I rate this a 0 out of 10. Fucking disgusting. I don't recommend. What you rate it?
You gave it 0, I give it like a 10.
Anyways, that's it. I won't be trying them ghetto ass chips again. That was $2, $4, $6, $8 worth of shit. I mean, trash. Really, I'll keep these ones. I'm on my way. You can have that other shit though.
Wait, that's the popcorn?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this.
Alright, YouTube, that wraps it up for this video. And then you wanna do it?
Go ahead and finish it.
It's your channel.
Fucking finish it.
It's your channel.
What did I say?
You're not gonna sit and talk to me like that in front of this camera.
Alright, y'all.
Alright, if y'all enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment what she should do next. Subscribe. Only if y'all enjoyed it. Like, y'all enjoy it, just like keep watching. Y'all can really dislike it. This ain't my channel. But yeah, this your first video. Yeah, it's the first video, so hopefully y'all enjoyed. And y'all anything to say?
Alright, y'all. That's it.
A few moments later.
I've been having a conversation with myself for a real long time, and I never hit record. Anyways, yeah, I'm back. I just got my weave. Like, I literally been waiting on this package for a real long time. I ordered it during Black Friday, and I was very worried that it wouldn't come in time because my hair appointment is tomorrow. Tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning, and I still ain't took this down. I ordered this weave from Kendra's ass during the Black Friday sale. And I've been ordering hair from her since I was like a junior in high school. I'm 25 now, I'm going on 26. So you do the math. That girl ain't never gave me shit free, like ever. She's never given me shit free. I opened up this damn bag. The first thing I see in there is a set of lashes, the Ghetto Girl lashes. I don't even wear these. They wispied in the bitch. Anyways, I'm a little boy at heart. I'm just appalled that all these years I've been shopping and I finally get something free. I'm really not appalled. I'm just like, damn. Anyways. Let's see what we got here. We got a band for our edges, I guess. Or if I wore wigs. I want a wig real bad. But if Arrogant Tay can't do it, then I don't want it. Because I don't want no screen door and I don't want that shit around my hair. I'm going to leave out type of girl. Yeah, I ordered 4 bundles. And another thing. I feel like as the years went by, her bundles have gotten smaller and smaller. And I know, you know, when shit like that happens, you're supposed to try somebody new. But I'm scared. Get somebody else to do it. So, yeah, I'm gonna stick to Kendra in them little bitty ass bundles she keep giving. Look at that. With about small as hell. It's never been that small, but whatever. I'm on my business, you know. You get what you get. It don't shed. Yeah, anyways, I'll see y'all tomorrow. I feel like I didn't even tell y'all what today is. Today is Tuesday, December 6th. I never really know what day it is until I look, but I left my phone in my room. But yeah, today is Tuesday, December 6th, and I'll be back tomorrow after I get my hair done. Y'all can't see me with my hair looking a mess. I'm about to go get my sew-in taken out. Bye. Okay, I'm back. No, I'm just, okay, so, I just turned fucking do not disturb on. Okay, my fault. It's literally the next day as promised. I said I was gonna be back after I got my hair done. So, hair is done. Check me out. What you think? Anyways, my hair is done, and I didn't vlog today because it was hectic as fuck. So, I woke up late. My hair appointment was at 8. I woke up late as shit. I slept in real bad. Slept in real bad. We're gonna use that. So, yeah. Almost, I ain't missed it. I was like 10 minutes late, but I hate being late. That's real nasty. That's ghetto. Not cute. But I made it. Dropped my car off for maintenance. We're talking about icks again. One of my icks is when I drop my car off for an oil change and an alignment, and they tell me I need $1,000 to fix something else I didn't bring it in there for. Give me my shit, run me my shit, fuck what? Nah. So yeah, that's why I ain't record. My day been all over the place. So yeah, I'm kind of carless until my grandpa fix it because $1,000 too. I got a grandpa. He can, you feel me? Give me together. So that's what we're gonna do because I'm not giving them $1,000 to do that. Actually, I need to get it towed from there to his house because they're not fixing my fucking car. It's the worst. Anyways, yeah, I didn't record most of the day because I was angry, and I'm actually about to go to bed. Although it is 8:00 p.m., I'm about to go to bed. I gotta work in the morning, and I gotta be up at 3 a.m. to make it to work by 4. No, 3 a.m. to make it to work by 4:30 a.m. It took me a little while to get ready. So, yeah. I'm gonna go to sleep here soon. I'm probably gonna make me a quick little salad real quick and then go to bed. But I'm not gonna be able to record me getting to work or none of that shit. I might record midday, but in the morning, I'm gonna have attitude about having to be there at 3. This is my first time ever being up there early for work. I ain't never had to be at work by 4:30 a.m. I usually make it there 6, 7. 6:30 was the earliest I ever had to be on site. I gotta be on site at 4:30 tomorrow morning. So we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully it's not bad, but we're gonna give it a shot. I really like my hair. And I like the song. Because I can't talk to broke boys. I can't talk to broke boys. That nigga's crazy. All right, good night, y'all. Alright, y'all. It is the next day. Damn. Every time I open this bitch, I say it's the next day. It is 4 o'clock in the morning. I made it to work on time. A little early. I got about 30 minutes to get to site. And site is like 10 minutes away. So, yeah, we made it. I'm letting the truck warm up. I did my pre-check and all that shit. So, yeah. I'll be back later when it's light outside. Hey y'all, it's the end of the day. I'm signed out for the day, so I've done all my loads. I'm off the clock. Yeah, today was great. Today was easy. It was my first day doing the job that I did today, but it was easy as hell. We are currently at the bank. I have a savings account with them, and like I've never gotten money out of it, but today I had to get money out of it. I gotta get my car fixed. I didn't know that there was a limit to the amount of money that I could get. Well, I know there's a limit, but at my other bank, my limit is like $1,000 to get out daily. I tried to put in $600, you know, at TCU, and it was like, you reached your limit, but you could talk to a live agent at the ATM. Hook me up. So yeah, I talked to a live agent at the ATM, which was pretty cool, and I got my $600. I just thought that was cool. I've never talked to someone live at an ATM, but yeah, we are off the clock. We got our money. We get signed out, and I don't know what I need to do, but I don't know how I want to do it. Like, do I want to just drive to Greenwood in the dump truck, or do I want to Uber there? Either way, my car is in Greenwood. I need to tow my car off, get my car towed off their lot. But anyways, I might be back. I might not. This is kind of cool. Bye, y'all. We went to Walgreens. We needed body wash and pads. Well, I just needed pads. My little brother needed body wash. I have turned the dump truck into my personal vehicle.
Forgive me for my sins. Yeah, my wrist cost a robbery, yeah, my earrings cost a beans.
I don't know.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me.
Someone put that pussy on me, put it on, come and pull up on me, make sure that they don't see them fuck.
So, we are currently at work. We are back at the 4 a.m. job. It's really not that bad, and I like that. I get off at noon technically. When I work at 4 a.m., they sign us out at 12, but with a load. So by the time I drop my load, it'd be like 1:30. So I'm done with my day early as shit. My work day. That was my best friend. I love working with my friends. It just makes me so happy. But anyways, I'm done with my day at like 1:30ish too, when I'm working at 4 a.m. and I like that compared to what I usually do. I'll be done at like 7. Well, I get home at like 6:37 every night, and like by the time I get off, I don't want to do shit. Like, I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to cook. I don't want to clean. I don't want to. Yeah, no, we're not doing that. So I like it here, and hopefully I get to stay. Anyways, I haven't vlogged much of my day at work because y'all seen that yesterday. Y'all don't want to see that again. But I will be back later. Me and my friends, the 3 dumbasses, we are going outside today. And I want to show y'all how we get down, because everybody always says that we're funny and shit. I want y'all to see firsthand that we are not funny. There is something actually wrong with us. Specifically them. I just feed off of them. But yeah, I'm excited for you guys to hang out with us tonight. I haven't seen y'all since earlier at work. I'm finally dressed, and I'm about to go pick up Johnny, and we're gonna go meet Jody and Elijah in Barberpool. We're going on tour tonight. So here's my fit. Literally all black, everything. This is my jacket, and I got some black boots. I would like to show y'all my outfit completely, but I'll be back. I'm gonna go get my purse anyway, so I can show y'all the whole thing. Vintage Louis Vuitton Pavilion. It got a name. If you want to know the name of it, ask in the comments. I'll let you know. Anyways, fit, how I look. Like a snitch. All right, I'll see y'all later. Hey, introduce yourself.
My name is Johnny.
What you got on today?
Skims, Forever 21, Yeezy, some light.
What kind of bag?
Tote bag.
Go ahead, bitch.
Bitch, I'm Big Harvey.
Run through his wallet. Turn around, Leonard. Okay, let me see your shoes. DHK? Disrespectful. Okay.
What do you say? Excuse me? All right, you know, excuse me. Sponsored by Target and Fentanyl.
What kind of jeans is them?
Staple.
Okay, give me.
Temple.
Dick! That ain't good.
Excuse me?
I stole it. In a Vegas bomb. So, tell me my technology. On camera? We vlogging.
Oh,
This is my best friend.
hey. My name is Wani.
Yeah. Run through his wallet.
Yeah.
Hey, Chris.
Hey.
Cheers.
This shit nasty, bro. It's not funny.
Wasted.
I threw that guava bomb in the trash.
Now look hard with 2 pictures.
All right, come on, let's race.
I'm faster than you.
I'm gonna throw up. Come on.
He's going on 50.
One.
Ready? Wait. What order are we going in?
Just do your dance.
All right.
I want to do Glorilla.
Okay, go over there so you can do your dance.
Who's going first?
Yo!
All right.
Go.
Shake my hand.
Who's a dog? Beep, 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 beep.
Come on, why would you do me like that? Why would you do me like that?
I want some love. I'm gonna bring my last basket
If I had your ounce of your energy, watch the game Thursday night.
Bitch, I did it for the streets. I'm a reader for them niggas. Hey, niggas, everything I did, bitch, I did it for the streets. I was 2 gangsters in the first place, niggas. Hey,
This nigga's sad.
A few moments later.
why would you kill that shot?
You threw up?
Yes,
You threw up.
That was just spit.
You throw that. He threw that. He threw that. Mommy, I threw that. Do it again. One more time. Do it for the ball. Drop.
You a jerk, I know.
I was about to open his door.
Oh, he threw up for real? I thought he was joking.
You're definitely paying for a wash, buddy. Just leave him in there. Come on.
That patient.
No, get him out of there before he threw up inside your shit.
He can just pay for that too.
I said that patient player. I meant that
Out the
player.
car.
Yeah. Anyways. It's cold. Oh, that motherfucker's sitting. Ooh, it's the Skims for me. They don't know about that outdoor collection. It's the you in the way, Kevin.
I'm in the picture. What you mean?
And I got a cute hand. 50 on my neck, 50 on my wrist. Oh, rather go to kiss. I'ma pull up to the. Get paid, young nigga, get paid.
A few hours later.
Make me scream, I don't public, make a scene. I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got the shred.
Gobble me, swallow me, drip down inside of me, quick jump out, but you let it get inside of me. I tell them where to put it, never tell them where I'm about to be. I run down on a bar, have a nigga running me, talk your shit, bite your lip, ask for a call while you ride that dick. You really ain't never got him looking for a thing, you already made his mind up, boy, hang. Now get your boots, hang your coat, fuck this wet ass pussy. He bought a phone just for pictures of this wet ass pussy. Pay my tuition just to kiss me on this wet ass pussy. Now make it rain if you wanna see some wet ass pussy.
Look, I need a hard head, I need a deep stroke, I need a Henny drink, I need a weed smoke, not a garden stick, I need a king cobra with a hook in it, hope and lean. Hey, got some money, then that's where I'm headed. Pussy ain't one, just like his credit. He got a beard, and I'm tryna wet it. I done testing, I hit that diabetic. I don't wanna spit, I wanna go, I wanna gag, I wanna choke. I want you to touch that little dangly thing that's swinging the.
Okay, good morning, y'all. It is Saturday, December 10th. We went out last night. I had a ball, but I am tired as fuck, y'all. I was up for 25 hours straight yesterday. 25 hours straight. I didn't have to be at work at 4 a.m. today. I had to be at work at 7 like usual, so it wasn't bad, but still. We didn't leave the club until 3 in the morning. Shit was hectic, but I had fun. Hell, hopefully I get off soon. I'm waiting for some. I'd have been on 3 dummies. So they had me get loaded this morning and take it somewhere. I sat there for an hour. So I did get to take a nap. I got to take a nap today. They had us get loaded with some fucking stone and go to a different site. So we sat there at that site for an hour. I slept. And then they got on the radio and was like, take it back to the stockpile. So I took it to the stockpile, and I'd have been on dummies ever since. Like, they just keep sending us to different work sites on the job. And after sitting for so long, they send us somewhere else. So I'm ready for somebody to just be like, fuck it, y'all can go home. Because I'm tired. I need to go get my nails done. I need to pack my shoot bag. I like to pack a bag. I have a Nike duffel bag. Before every shoot, I like to pack the bag with like the fits I'm wearing, lotion, baby oil, you know, accessories, just so I'm ready. Nothing's worse than showing up to a shoot unprepared, because you only get a certain amount of time slots. You need to just have your shit in that bag ready to go so you can pull it out. But yeah, today we have to get our nails done. We have to, we gotta get our nails and our feet done. We have to, supposed to go to a baby shower. My aunt having a baby. I might vlog there. If it's ugly, you won't see it in the vlog. So I'm gonna go. I never go to anything, but I said I was gonna go. So I'm gonna go to her baby shower, and if the baby shower is ugly, you'll know, because it will not show up in this vlog. I'm supposed to go to the baby shower. I might be going to the studio tonight. I don't rap, but my friends do, and I want to go. So I might do that, and hell, I don't know. I'll check back with y'all later. I'll fuck around and go home and take a nap. I might not make it to anything today. I'm exhausted, but yeah, I'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all. I'm back. Damn, I'm all fucked up. I'm back. I slept all damn day. Last time we talked, I was supposed to go get my nails done after work. I was supposed to do a lot of shit after work today, and I didn't. As I said, I had been up for 25 plus hours straight. I was tired, and when I got off work, I started driving in the direction of the nail shop that I go to. And I was like, nah, it's only 1. It was like 12:55. I'm like, it's only 1. I can go home and take a nap. Oh boy, was I wrong. I went home and took a fucking sleep. I'm just not getting up. It is 8:47. It's 8:47 p.m. And the last time we talked was 1 p.m. I've been asleep since then. I woke up a few times because I set an alarm, but I went back to sleep. I was tired. I'm tired. I'm up now. I feel better. But right now we are headed to the studio. I told y'all that my friends be rapping and shit, so they invited me to go to the studio, and I think Dominic's gonna try to make me rap. The shit funny to me. I don't know how to be serious about anything. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. And then when we leave, we're probably gonna go to Northside Bar and Grill to grab some wings. If you don't know, they got the best wings in the city. I don't care. I mean, R&R got some good wings too, but Northside got the best lemon pepper wings to me. So yeah, I want to go there after I leave here. And then when I go home, we're gonna pack our bag for our shoot tomorrow. We're gonna pack our photo shoot bag, and yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to the studio. Maybe I might not record. This might be too embarrassing to record. So yeah, bye y'all.
Alright, let me do it, man.
God hit me with a subpoena. Plays acting too timid, I had to switch my demeanor. Serving out the underbucket, feeling like John Cena.
Can't nobody see me just like John Cena. Serving out this Rainbow bitch, I buck. Alright, let me do that.
You're not gonna make a YouTube channel, you lying bitch.
Come on. And leave. And leave. You're an idiot. Oh, you win, bitch. You win.
This and you be like this.
Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. We on tour. We at my friend Jen's house. We having a party for Jake. Anyways, this is my fit. We got on Wait a Minute. A bunch of gold chains. Them ones. Yeah. What you got on today?
Knit runners. My base bottom for my birthday.
Who?
My base bottom for my birthday.
What else you got on?
Shout out to them.
What you got on, Nurse Bae?
Fashion over, fashion over, fashion over.
Turn around, let's see the ass. Check my post.
Yeah, you better. Fit check.
This y'all brother?
Fit check. Yeah.
Anyways, turn around. They what?
These new you see the kids up there? Stop playing with me.
Fit check.
Got on the little driver's seat, you know, repping my homie. Shit, that camera. Look good.
Okay.
And I got on some goddamn.
Get GTM in here.
Goddamns.
All right, birthday boy, what you got on? Hold on. Damn, Jen, it's not your birthday.
It's not my birthday. But y'all ain't take no pictures.
A few moments later.
Good morning, y'all. It is Sunday, December 11th. Right? Yeah. Today the 11th. It gotta be. Today is Sunday, December 11th, and I got a headache. I'm not gonna say I got a hangover because I don't really get those, but I do have a headache. I ain't really ate in a long time, so I'm hungry as fuck, and that's probably why I got a headache. The last meal I had was probably like Thursday. It's Sunday. So yeah. Right now, I just don't like the way this looks, so
Hey.
No, I'm just playing. Okay, hey y'all, I'm back. It's Sunday. It's damn near 2 o'clock, 1:45, and my shoot is today at 5:45. So I got time, but I also need to go get a fucking manicure and a pedicure. I didn't go yesterday. I slept all day, so I gotta go do that. I need to pack my bag because I didn't pack my bag. I went out on tour last night, so I got a lot of shit to do, and I'm just so fucking sick of myself. Excuse my room. It is a mess. So I mean, it's cool. Whatever. I ain't tripping off of that, but. Fuck it, let's pack this bag and change our clothes. Cause this is my fit, check me out. Okay? Okay, anyways. I forgot about these shoes. I'm happy, I like them, they're comfortable. Forgot I had them, I just was digging through the closet for a shoot fit, which was gonna be this. You know, you gotta be comfortable on shoot days. This was gonna be my shoot fit. And actually, I'm talking shit, I need to start getting ready. I found these shoes in the closet. I got a shopping pop. Okay, fuck me, whatever. Let's pack this bag. I need some music. Also, I gotta change. I can't wear this fit. That's what I was trying to tell y'all. I'll be all over the place. I gotta change because I gotta meet my coworkers at Havana at 4. Well, I'm going to get my makeup done at 4. I get my makeup done at 4. And after I get my makeup done, I'm gonna just stop by Havana and say, hey, show my face. So we can't wear this, you know, we gotta be cute. Can't go to the cigar bar looking like a fucking boy. We're looking for the boys. But anyways, let's listen to some music while we pack this bag. I'm stressed. I'm so sick of my fucking self.
Okay, I changed out of my shoot fit because we are going to Havana. It is a cigar bar out north in Indy. It's a nice place, nice establishment. I'm too much of a whore to be in there. I'm just fine. But anyways, this is my dress from Wait a Minute. Jada did her big one with this dress. I like this dress. I like it a lot. We are on fucking crunch time. We need to hurry up and go get our nails done. Okay, but this is my dress. Like I said earlier, don't talk about my fucking room. But also, I just took this shit off my body to put this on. So, but I need help picking a shoe. Now, let me put my jacket on. All right, which shoe goes best? This. Step, step, step. I'm not feeling a boot. We're gonna go with the Ricks. Okay, so we got our bag. This is awkward.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, y'all, I got my makeup done and it is 4:40. Pictures at 5:45. I'm about to stop by Havana to say hi to my coworkers and stuff before I go to my photo shoot because they invited me and they always invite me and I never show up. The lady that does my makeup, her name is Brianka. She's so mad at me because I didn't vlog. She knows I'll be vlogging now. So she's pissed at me because I didn't vlog, but I told her next shoot that we will vlog. We're gonna vlog next shoot. And after my shoot, I'm gonna go meet her at Egyptian for hookah. So yeah, I'll be back later, y'all. Bye. Open it, Dad.
What's wrong?
Let us see.
Something fishy about this smoke.
Don't drop it.
Something fishy about this. I gotta watch them, man. When they start doing shit like this, shit like that. What the hell is this?
You aggravating me.
Hey, dog.
Hey, dog.
Hey, dog. Let me get this out of my pocket.
Now smile. Let me see you with it.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life moves fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. But what do you want?
I don't know.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry.
We're gonna wrap this the fuck up.
Holidays.
My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too damn.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling?
Okay, y'all, so we finally made it home, and to end the week, I'm replacing my flowers. I literally have no idea what I'm doing, but I seen my aunt do this shit like this before, so I always do it like this, so hopefully it's really doing something. Whatever. I don't know. I feel like if you made it this far, we're best friends now, so I guess you can follow me on my Finsta, bestie. Anyways, thank y'all for watching my very first YouTube video. I've been so scared to post this. Like, I was supposed to post this damn near a month ago. Hopefully y'all like it though. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm really a YouTuber now. That's crazy. Bye y'all.